In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Keep. We'll walk through the process on an Android phone or tablet, and I'll share a few tips so everything goes smoothly from start to finish. Begin by opening the Google Play Store on your device. This is where you download and update apps. Make sure you're connected to the internet. A stable Wi-Fi connection can help the download go faster and avoid using mobile data. Once the Play Store is open, look toward the top of the screen and tap the search bar. This brings up your keyboard so you can type in what you're looking for. Type Google Keep into the search field. In the results, you're looking for Google Keep Notes and Lists, published by Google LLC. Checking the publisher is a simple way to make sure you're getting the official app and not a lookalike. When you find it, tap the app to open its page. Here you can see the icon, usually a yellow light bulb, the description, screenshots, and reviews. This page confirms you've got the right one. Next, press the Install button. Your device will begin downloading the app and then automatically install it. You'll see a progress bar on the Play Store page. If the download seems slow, that's usually due to your connection or temporary server traffic. Just let it finish. While you wait, you can keep the Play Store open. There's nothing else you need to do during this step. When the installation completes, the Install button will change to Open. Go ahead and tap Open to start using Google Keep right away. You'll also now find the app in your app drawer, and depending on your device settings, it may appear on your home screen. If you're already signed into a Google account on your device, Keep will use that account automatically so your notes are ready to sync. Once you're inside Google Keep, you can create notes and checklists to capture ideas and to-dos quickly. Checklists are great for groceries, packing, or step-by-step tasks because you can tick items off as you go. You can also record voice notes when you're on the move. Keep saves the audio and can transcribe it so you can scan it later. Add reminders to your notes to get notified at the right time, which is especially helpful for deadlines or daily routines. If you prefer visuals, save photos and text right into your notes so everything related to a project lives in one place. And because Keep syncs across devices with your Google account, your notes stay up to date whether you're on your phone, tablet, or another device. That's it. Google Keep is installed and ready to help you stay organized.